Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters, and I've got a brand new Cybertruck. This customer came in for a really special wrap. We didn't want to miss this with you guys. We wanted to share it with the public. This has been wrapped with Avery Gloss Metallic Radioactive. Pretty wild name, but the color is really cool. It's basically a metallic green, and it is popping in the sun. Call it radioactive or whatever they want to call it. It looks super cool, but it's a metallic. This is a vinyl. This is not a PPF. This is vinyl film that we've installed on here, and it really looks cool. This thing is gonna stop your tracks when you see this Cybertruck rolling around in Georgia, right out of our shop from Atlanta. So let me know what you think of this. We've done a ton of film work on Cybertrucks going back to 2024. It's over 1,000 trucks that we put film on between our LA facility, our Georgia facility, and then even when you add our DIY kits. So a lot of film, vinyl or PPF, whatever you want, come to us, check it out, tsportline.com. We can install it for you either in Atlanta or in LA, or ship it to your house with a DIY kit. And we have a pro version of that DIY kit, which will allow an installer to just put the film on very quickly, not a lot of cutting or anything like that. The templates are dialed in, as you can see here. So give me a comment below. Let me know what you think of this Avery Gloss Metallic Radioactive on a Tesla Cybertruck. Make sure you give me a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to the channel. When we get a cool Cybertruck, we're gonna share it with you.